Hi and welcome. This is Steve Wheeler. Be sure to watch the video until the end. I'm going to show you how to get 8 valuable trader gifts for free. We're going to talk about breakout strategies using Ninjatrader 8 using the OCO one cancels the order capability. First thing you want to do from the Ninjatrader chart, in the upper toolbar, click on the chart trader icon. Once you've done that, on the right side of your screen, the chart trader interface, right click and put a check mark next to OCO order. Select your ATM strategy. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is right click on your chart and left click on buy stop order. That would be your first bracket order. You can adjust that order just by clicking and dragging it. Now, very important here, you want to reselect your ATM strategy. Then right click on the chart and left click on sell stop. Place your sell stop order. Very important here, now you want to right click on the chart trader panel and uncheck the OCO order, and now we'll see which way the market breaks here. Okay, so we broke to the upside, so that's an upside breakout. The red line is your stop loss, green line up above is your profit target. We can adjust either one of those orders by just dragging and dropping them wherever we want them. So green line is your target, red line is the stop loss. You can see the P&L window on the right. All right, so market continuing to go up toward that target. All right, so getting very close to the target, hit the target. Okay, so next screen is a downside breakout. Same thing here, we want to right click on the chart trader panel, put a check mark next to OCO, select your first ATM strategy, right click on the chart, place your buy stop order, then reselect an ATM strategy. This is very important. Now hold on your right mouse button, left click on sell stop. Right click on the chart trader panel, uncheck OCO, and we'll see which way we break on this one. Here we broke to the downside. So in this particular case, the green line on the bottom is your profit target, red line is your stop loss. Now in this case, what we're going to do is attach the trailing stop to the signal line. That's the Navi PM indicator. Okay, so here we've attached the stop loss to the indicator, and a feature of Ninjatrader 8 is we can attach an order to an indicator, so as the market moves down, it will automatically trail that stop lower. If you're in a long position, it's going to trail the stop upward. Okay, so here we're still kind of consolidating at this point. All right, still consolidating. The green line down below is our profit target. So we're either going to hit that target or we'll come out of the trade on the trailing stop. Okay, so you can see your P&L window on the chart trader interface. Trailing stop being adjusted downward automatically. All right, so still trailing the stop lower at this point. By the way, if you're enjoying this content, be sure and subscribe to our channel. Okay, trailing stop moving lower. And there we came out of the trade with a trailing stop. All right, so if you'd like these 8 free trader gifts, please send an email to support@ninjatrader.com. I will forward those to you right away. All right, so thanks for viewing this video. Everyone have a great day.